Vande Mataram, class 10th. In the previous class we have discussed about the village judge. What are the right caliber? What is the who can be a right judge, just judge? In the present world we face so many disputes, quarrelings, and we went there and choose a judge to control our case or solve our problem. In this story, the villagers, there were Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary, two characters. Juman Sheikh and old aunt had a dispute about the property. At that time, Algu Chaudhary was the judge, and about the judge, the old aunt told that the judge was nobody's friend nor enemy. Whatever is spoken by Pancho is the voice of God. इस प्रकार से कहते फाइनली द पंचायत मेट अंडर a tree. The panchayat met under a tree one evening. The old woman stated her case and then said to Juman, "Whom would you like to be the pancha?" After, first of all, at first there was a hesitation whether to go or not to go on Algu Chaudhary because of his intimate friendship. Finally, what the old man told her, one cannot sell his conscience for friendship. ए प्रकार जो कथा कहते से पुणी से कहते विल यू हेजिटेट टू टेल द राइट थिंग्स ऑनेस्ट थिंग्स ए प्रकार कहला परे ही एग्रीड टू गो टू स्टैंड एज ए पंच इन दैट पंचायत. Algu agreed to stand as a pancho in the panchayat which was met under a tree one evening. The old woman stated her case. Stated माने व्यक्त करिबा तांकर केस गुड़िक झगड़ार मूल कारण गुड़ी कौन थिला जहाँ सब होइतिला they stated before the panchayat. Then said to Juman, "Whom would you like to be the pancha?" तुम पंच रूपे क्या चाहूच? Who asked? The old aunt asked Juman. Juman answered angrily, "Let me not say anything now. मु किसी भी कही परिविनी. Let me not say anything now, aunt. It is your show. Have anyone you like. This show is yours. It is your show. Have anyone you like. तुम जागो जज रूपे चाहूचो, जा थ्रू तुम जजमेंट चाहूचो, राइट जजमेंट पाइबो. You can choose as far as you possible, because calling the panchayat is not my proposal." Who said? Juman said. She said. The old aunt said, "Son, have fear of God." भगवान ऊपर टी भय रखिता से कहते. The pancha is nobody's friend or enemy. The person who stands as a pancha in the panchayat is nobody's friend or enemy. से का फ्रेंड नुहे कि एनिमी नुहे. डू यू एक्सेप्ट Algu Chaudhary? डू यू एक्सेप्ट? आई नेम हिम एज ए जज. हु वाज Algu Chaudhary? An intimate friend, a close friend of Juman Sheikh. So, who was the chief judge in the first panchayat that was met under a tree? Algu Chaudhary. Juman was overjoyed. Overjoyed means बहुत मैंने खुशी जाते से. Juman बहुत खुशी जाते. Overjoyed means very happy, excess happy. Excess happy. Juman was overjoyed, but he hid his feelings and replied, "Let it be, Algu Chaudhary." निजे जो बेसी खुशी जाइला से कहीं खुशी जाइला ना तार सांगो एठे गुड जज रूप स्टैंड कर हिज इंटीमेट फ्रेंड Algu Chaudhary, when he got noticed, when Juman knew that his intimate friend Algu Chaudhary was the chief judge of that panchayat, at that time Juman was overjoyed, extremely happy, and his happiness was hidden inside. His happiness was hidden inside. He could not show his feelings, show his happiness to the old aunt, and replied, "Let it be, Algu Chaudhary." ठीक है, Algu Chaudhary पंच रूप स्टैंड करो. Algu did not want to be mixed up in this affair. Algu, actually, due to his friendship, the fearness of cut off from friendship, बंधुता काले भांगी जीव से दृष्टिकोण विचार कर Algu चाहू ना जे गुड़े ये पंच रूपे स्टांड करी बोली. Algu did not want to mixed up in this affair. He wanted to get out and exclaimed. बाहर को जाकर से एक्सक्लेम कले, वर्णना कले. क्या कहले? आंटी को कहले, ओल्ड आंटी कहले, आंटी, यू नो जुमन एंड आई आर क्लोज फ्रेंड्स. ये प्रकार ताको बुझेले. आई डू नॉट वांट टू मिक्स इन दिस अफेयर, इन दिस केस, बिकॉज ऑफ आवर क्लोज रिलेशन. मे आवर क्लोज रिलेशनशिप बी ब्रोकन अप, मे आवर इंटीमेट रिलेशनशिप बी ब्रोकन अप, so that I can't mixed up in this affair. Who said? Algu Chaudhary said to the old aunt. The aunt replied gravely, very seriously, गंभीर भाव से कहले, "Son, nobody can sell his conscience for friendship." बंधुता पाई निज विवेक को जने केहेले बिकिबे नहीं. Conscience, what is conscience? An inner part of the body that says what just is, what unjust is, what right is, what wrong is. Viveka. Conscience means viveka. So, कहीं ले निजर बंधुता पाई केते बंधुता केते प्रगाढ़ बंधुता तक न कहीं. How far the relationship is very close, but one cannot sell his conscience for friendship. God lives in the heart of the Pancha. God lives in the heart of the Pancha. Whatever the Pancha says is spoken by God Himself. से कहते तुम जदि पंच रूपे स्टैंड करिबो, if you stand as a Pancha in that Panchayat, think that God lives in the heart of the Pancha, and whatever the Pancha says, Pancha jaha bhi कहबो, it is directly spoken by God Himself. So, the voice of the judge is the voice of the Lord. It was told here. The voice of the judge, the voice of the Pancha was the voice of the Lord here. Algu said, "Sheikh Juman." It was Raji Gale, stand call. Algu said, "Sheikh Juman, you and I are old friends. You, Juman, and I, Algu, are old friends, but at this moment जब से judgment देवे, at this moment you and old aunt are exactly the same to me. Old aunt was as equal to Juman Sheikh. Who said? Algu Chaudhary said. Nobody is enemy. The judge is, Algu is, nobody is enemy. Not old aunt's enemy, or nobody's friend, not Juman's friend in this case while delivering the judgment. Okay, you may state your case before the panchayat. एबे तुम्हें तुम केस टा पंचायत रे कहवाक से कहले. Juman was now confident that he was confided. He confided himself that he will win So Juman was now confident that he had won. He imagined that Algu's stock was a mere show. Algu's stock was a mere show. Regularly se show, the mere means only. It was a only show. खाली बाहर सब लोक मैंने अच्छा जजमेंट देवा समय जो प्रकार फॉर्मालिटी मेंटेन करा जाउची, दैट वाज जस्ट ही वाज जस्ट मेंटेनिंग द फॉर्मालिटी. इट वाज मेड सो, बट ही वाज कॉन्फिडेंट. हो, जुमन वाज कॉन्फिडेंट दैट he will win the case, he will win this matter, he will win the judgment. Therefore he is hot at peace, he stated in the case. जे शांति रे कहला कहीं ना से भितर गोटे गंभीर भाव डेप्थ इन ए डीप से थिला जे मु जीति जीवी. फॉर व्हाई? बिकॉज Algu was my close friend and he is the chief judge. Algu Chaudhary started asking questions which Juman found hard to answer. Algu Chaudhary started questions, विभिन्न प्रकार क्वेश्चन जब पचारे, but Juman found hard to answer. It was difficult to be answered. The answers were difficult to come. Finally, Algu gave his judgment. Juman said, "The elders have considered this matter." कौन पढ़ते जी सीटे सभा जजमेंट दवा समय जी एल्डर्स पीपल थे, द एल्डर्स हैव कंसीडर्ड दिस मैटर. दे थिंक इट प्रॉपर दैट द आंट शुड हैव ए मंथली अलाउंस. आंट को किसी मंथली मासिक अलाउंस भत्ता दबा दरकार. यू हैव टू गिव. दिस इज आवर डिसीजन. व्हाट इज द डिसीजन? प्रोवाइडिंग मंथली अलाउंस टू द ओल्ड आंट. इफ यू डू नॉट एग्री, अनलेस यू एग्री to pay the monthly expenses, जदि तो दबु नहीं, if you do not agree to pay the monthly expenses, then the property should be returned to her. Then the property should be returned to her. property टा तांका नारे ओल्ड आंट नारे ट्रांसफर करा जाए परिबो करा दिया जीवो. So how was it done? As a judge, he asked the question. Algu asked the question, and for Juman it was very difficult to provide the answers, related answers. And then what was the decision that came? After considering the case by the elderly people and the chief judge Algu Chaudhary, Juman Sheikh had to give the monthly expenses to the old aunt, otherwise the property will be completely or fully transferred to the old aunt. Let's go to the text 3.